Good morning. Hey there. Yeah, that's me, guys. That was a few years ago in Dubai. My Lambo bought with Bitcoin, but I don't have that Lambo anymore. The Lambo is sold and Bitcoin was bought back with it, right? So I used Bitcoins to buy a Lambo, and then I sold the Lambo to buy Bitcoins. And I encourage you not to hold on to such expensive toys like houses with pools, helicopters, yachts, sports cars of that type. In my opinion, it's easier, more pleasant, and safer to hold. Like for me, I prefer virtual currency, that is Bitcoin, rather than things like that. They are very expensive, gentlemen, not just to buy, but then to maintain. I'm showing you this board here from Dubai because right now BitUnix is offering bonuses for people who use trading and for the best trader after a month, right? This promotion here at BitUnix lasts until the end. Well, not the end, until the 13th of September, right? For a month until September 13th. The best trader can win a vacation in Dubai worth about $7,000, meaning flights, hotel, and other things as well. Just remember to go to lunaviotrading.com and read the rules. I'll go there in a second, show you. And also, at the very beginning, I'll just remind you that investing, ladies and gentlemen, is very risky. You can lose your capital, especially when trading with leverage. Especially when trading with too much leverage, we can lose all our money. So be very careful. I am warning you against investing money and trading with leverage. This is for people who are already aware, who have experience, right? Or if you are a new person, then start learning on a demo account, okay? Or with small amounts and only then develop step by step. And I also remind you that this video is aimed at people outside the European Union. This video is not intended for people who are in the European Union. All right, that's it. So let's move to the screen now, and as you can see here, lunaviotrading.com. I'll go to that website. Just a second. lunaviotrading.com. Wait a second, something is blocking me here. Oh, I had a VPN turned on. 1 second. You can't do that, guys. Oh, without a VPN. Yes, it's lunaviotrading.com. And look right here at the very top. First of all, there is a warning. Familiarize yourselves with the warning, okay? With the risk. Click on this link. Read it also in the description of this video. And right here is that promotion from BitUnix. Of course, we'll click and see what's shown there. Look, this kind of page will show up for you. If this register button is lit up in green, because this one is already inactive. If it is active, then you can register and take part in this promotion. But first, also scroll down here and familiarize yourself with the rules. Here are the rules, and this promotion is organized by the BitUnix exchange. Not by me, not by the Lunavio portal, but by BitUnix. You can read all about it yourself. If you agree with it, you can register. I'm already registered, which is why this button isn't lit up for me. If it's lit up for you, you can register. And now, moving on. Look, here are the rules, right? For example, transfer 100 USDT, $100, to your futures account to get up to a $20 bonus. If you have to perform trading, right? In the amount of $5,000. And that deposit you transferred, those $100, you have to keep them in your futures account for a minimum of 7 days. And it shows here that I haven't met any of the conditions yet. Then moving on, transfer $500 to your futures account, hold for 7 days, make a trading volume of $25,000 to get an $80 futures bonus, and so on and so on. The highest of these bonuses here is $200. You need to transfer a minimum of $2,000 to your futures account, hold it for 7 days, and generate a trading volume of $150,000. So, for example, you open a position for $20,000, close it, then another 20 and close it. And that's it. I trade manually, as you know. I trade automatically through Lunavio. So if you don't have an account yet, or you don't know what Lunavio is, then create an account here on Lunavio and on BitUnix. And here are step-by-step, very well-made videos, tutorials, from which you will learn how to get started. And if you still have any questions, I invite you to join our Telegram group here. Or you can also contact support directly on Lunavio. All right, while we're here, take a look. I'll try to receive those $200, so I'm logging into my BitUnix exchange. You can have, on BitUnix, you can have several accounts. This exchange is for futures trading. It's KYC free. So I'm logging into my exchange. Look, on the exchange, in my spot account, I have $2,000. So now I'll transfer these $2,000 to my futures account from the spot account, right? Over $2,000 to the futures account. And we'll see in a moment. Here is Trade Now, and we'll see what shows up here. Hold on. I'll go to this page now. Let's see if it's here yet. Let's refresh it. Will it show here that I transferred something? Oh yes, look. See? All these fields have turned green for me now. So I did it, right? Okay, now I'll perform one test trade just to see if it's counting everything for me. For example, I'll quickly open a long here on Bitcoin. Wait, quantity USDT. Okay, buy position size. Okay. Leverage effect only. Okay. This last option should be here. Wait a second, because this is a new account and, for example, I'll put in $5,000. I'll open a long position. Now. I opened a long and I'll close it right away, just to generate some volume. Then the volume should come out to about $10,000 for me. We'll see in a second. The price of Bitcoin is still falling, and that's actually good, guys, that it's falling. Wait, let this long position on Bitcoin move a little bit, so to speak. And in the meantime, I'll jump for a second onto, oh, we have Dubai here too. We'll go to the Bitcoin chart, a more long-term one, as you remember. We'll switch over for a moment and discuss Bitcoin. As you remember, I started buying Bitcoin more heavily about 500 days before the halving. That's always, historically speaking, the best time to buy Bitcoin. 500 days before the halving. Look at all the previous halvings. Those are the dashed white lines. So about 500 days before the next halving, Bitcoin prices were low, right? But so I wouldn't have to hit the exact date. See, here it's also 500 days. Well, I decided to buy 3 months before and 3 months after that 500-day mark. And it's the same thing now. Look, here we have 500 days before the halving, which will fall in November 2026, and I'm already starting to buy now. Oh, it says here from September. Well, but I'll start here on the 24th, a week before September, August 24th, right? Because here it enters into this one. I have 3 months before that date here and 3 months after that date. Only here for this first period. These first 3 months, I will be buying $1,000 of Bitcoin weekly. And then once that date arrives, it will be November 26th. I will be investing $5,000 every week in buying Bitcoin. Because that second one, that second period, that second rectangle has always been better. I don't know if it will be. Gentlemen, past performance does not guarantee future results, right? Just because something happened in the past doesn't mean it will happen in the future as well. But you see, the second part of this rectangle always has their lower prices. Let's look here as well. Look here too. There was such high prices here, and in the second half, they were lower by almost 50%. Let's look even earlier. The same thing here. Look, the prices here in this rectangle, the first part of the rectangle were like this. And in the second, they were 40% lower. Well, I'll wait. I just have to wait. You have to wait patiently. I mean, you don't have to. No, I don't advise you to wait. You do whatever you want. Everyone does things their own way. I'm not encouraging it. No, I'm not advising you. I'm not giving investment advice. Everyone should think for themselves. If you think it's already a bull market, then buy now if you want. And if you're waiting, if you want to wait, then wait. I'll do as I said. I'll be buying a little bit here just in case the price goes up faster, but I'll be buying more here starting in November. November, December, January, and a bit of February, right? All right, let's move on here. How's mine doing? I'm $6 in the red. Maybe I'll set it here? Or, okay, wait, let me just check if anything is updated here, if any volume has been generated. Oh, look, some volume has been generated. See? Almost $5,000. Now, if I close this position, obviously, we won't just do it blindly, so we don't lose money. But because I open this position just as a test. So I'll close it now at $5 in the red. Okay, we'll close it at market price. Or I'll try. Wait, I'll try to close it, not at market price, but just let it close itself. We'll see. But do we have time for that here in the video? I don't think we do. All right, I'll close it now here at that market price. Okay, it closed, and we'll check if it gets added here on the bonus page. Wait, let's refresh the page. Yes, it's already, you see, almost $10,000, and how much do I need to make? Aha, for 100 for a $200 bonus. Oh, I've got it already. Look, I've already got the bonus. Look, I've already got the bonus done. For $20, the bonus is already active. I just need to keep these funds in the futures account for another 7 days. But of course, I'm aiming for that highest bonus because I'll get it done. Here are what I'm trading on, Lunavio. I'll easily hit that volume in a week or 2 weeks or even 3. Okay, let's move on now because I have one exchange, I have another exchange too. So let's switch over to the second exchange now. We'll do the same thing. Take a look. We'll start by going to lunaviotrading.com. We'll click here to check how this exchange is doing. Because I have it in another browser, I have it here too. See, I'm registered, right? Oh, you can already see the users here who have joined. They are already in this campaign. I'm already registered, so my exchange account is okay. Now we'll make a transfer. We'll go to the spot account and transfer. I'll make a transfer. I'll transfer again from the spot account to the futures account. Remember, this video is not for people from the European Union, okay? This is not for you. This is for people outside the European Union. Investing is very risky. You could lose money. I am absolutely not encouraging you to trade. I'm just showing you what the possibilities are. Okay, I've transferred it. Let's check if it shows here that I've transferred it. I need to refresh. Okay, there's nothing here yet. Wait. Let's refresh the page. Let's refresh the page. There it is. Look, it's transferred. Okay, and now I'll just calmly go into my client panel. Oh, okay. I'll just enter 2000 here. For those who don't know how to use Lunavio, right here on lunaviotrading.com, there are videos. 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have videos on our Telegram group, right? You can always ask. Everything is in place. Checking my strategy. Okay. With this, I have a strategy where when I enter, I only go in once for $20,000, and it's either stop loss or take profit. And here on the second account, wait, I need to log into Lunavio here as well. No, sorry. I'll log into my second Lunavio account here, because I have 2 exchanges connected to one Lunavio account. You can connect even more. Here's the second exchange. Take a look. Oh, here is the exchange where I have $2,180 right now. And here I have a different strategy. Here I have the Lunavio Go strategy. Look, when we go to the dashboard, on one exchange account I have Lunavio Go, and on the other I have a slightly modified Lunavio 1, and that's it. And now I'm just waiting calmly. I hope that I will reach this trading volume within a month. I will definitely reach it here, and I will receive this bonus. Just remember, read the rules here on how it works, how this bonus is then claimed, and what it can be spent on. Everything is shown. I'm not going to read it to you here. It's written here for a reason, so you can read it nicely for yourselves. And here, once it's finished, oh. Look, once this finishes after a month, this, what do they call it? The event organized by BitUnix. Then, depending on what kind of trading volume we have, I think everyone who took part in this, I don't know, that's what it seems like to me, will be able to receive some kind of bonus, right? I'll click trade now. Where does it take me? Oh, here's trading. All right. Okay. Great. Okay. I'm waiting, guys. I don't trade manually anymore. I traded manually my whole life. Now I trade automatically. I'm trading on Lunavio. Boom. The system finds the best entries for me and opens and closes them itself. The market is just starting to move now. We'll see. There were few trades today. Only 7 trades have been executed today so far. 100% win rate. Let's look at the last 14 days. And here are the 14 days. In the last 14 days, Lunavio users have earned over $14,000. We had a success rate of 94%, almost 94.5%. There were 1,087 trades. 1,024 have already been closed in profit. A few less than, well, about 5% were in the red. In the last 7 days, one user earned $4,200, the second $1,400, the third $1,400. And here we have the rest. Take a look. We have the earnings of every user, as well as their win rate and the number of, trades executed. It disappeared on me. 1 second. And the number of transactions, the number of trades they executed. Here, some record holder had 248 trades in a week and earned $470, while this guy here had only 23 trades and earned $4,200. That means he's probably playing with large amounts, right? All right, gentlemen, that's it for me. Stay healthy. Take care. See you later. Bye.